When a single knife can handle all the pizza cutting work, you can use this system. A mobile machine can provide fresh juice anytime. The manufacturer has cleverly integrated sorting, washing, grinding, squeezing, and packaging processes. The meat slicer cuts meat longitudinally to achieve perfect, uniform slices. There are so many types of ice cream here that just looking at them makes you feel freezing cold. The automated potato packing assembly line is designed for our channel subscribers. The Donna robot can continuously cut meat all day without rest. A huge, automatic frying pan helps speed up the work process. Using image recognition, this robot can identify and place apples in the correct position. Just 5 minutes to complete a pizza with a chef robot. Have you ever wondered how a braided brioche is made? Hundreds of buns completed in just 1 minute. Are you satisfied with this efficiency? Making sushi also involves the use of machines. PDS-4L is ideal for processing bell peppers with limited labor. The compact, yet powerful, automatic chocolate tempering machine, accompanied by an enroping table. It not only helps to quickly glaze sweets, but also saves significant space. A tool that turns onions into beautiful flowers. The secret to creating perfect sweet potato balls. Consistent quality and uniformity have made the Aero robot an ideal solution for production, giving us not only delicious food but also a profound spiritual experience. When you look at the hot sausages, it is not difficult to feel the attraction from their attractive colors and shapes. Each sausage is sliced thinly and evenly, creating an attractive visual effect. The vibrant and attractive color of the meat makes the eyes unable to take their eyes off it. Each sausage shows meticulousness and sophistication in the processing process. The rich and salty flavor of hot sausage spreads in the air, stimulating taste buds and evoking cravings. These colorful sausage sticks are not only a delicious dish but also a fascinating work of art, creating a special and unforgettable culinary experience. Meat turntable accessories are not only a part of kitchen equipment but also an indispensable tool in the meat processing process. With flexible rotation ability, this accessory makes grilling meat easier than ever. Using the turntable accessory, we can grill meat evenly from all sides, helping the meat cook evenly without having to turn each piece of meat by hand. This not only saves time but also ensures that the meat is grilled evenly while retaining its natural moisture and flavor. With flexible rotation and high convenience, meat turntable accessories are an indispensable part of any professional kitchen. Minute and can be increased to 80 pieces per minute to optimize production yield. The machine's simple mechanical design helps protect user safety and enhance stability during operation. This equipment is usually designed to cut cabbage into slices or strips of uniform and precise size, thereby facilitating processing and storage. Potato washing and sorting machine is an important part of the production line in the food industry. By combining these two functions in one machine, manufacturers can increase efficiency and save costs. You are feeling tired and feel like you waste a lot of time chopping vegetables. With advanced technology, this tool is capable of slicing vegetables into slices, strips or pieces of different sizes and shapes. Looking at the plump bell peppers, my heart suddenly felt in. Indescribable joy. Their vibrant beauty seems to give me positive energy to start a new day. The outer shell is shiny and smooth, as if inviting people to enjoy.